Hi, last update from Valdez, from Chugahmountains, Alaska, 2020. This is the fourth night we have experienced a crazy storm, wind about 100 miles per hour. We were really worried because two tents collapsed, and wow, that was like 4 or 5 hours of work in a row, cutting blocks, put them to bird walls against the wind, surrounding every tent. Like we have 4, 5, 6 tents. 2 tents collapsed out of 6, which means that instead of sleeping 2 per tent, we're gonna sleep 4 per tent, maybe even more, because the storm is gonna be here all the night, and the peak of the storm is gonna be midnight, which is in 20 minutes. And right now I'm alone here in this little big tent, which doesn't seem to be able to collapse, but I am praying God, I'm praying Jesus every 5 minutes to be able to survive to this storm. And the other people also, they are afraid, man, I tell you that. And also the guides here, they experienced it only once this in 10 years, in 11 years, and it was less big than this one. So wow, that's fucking crazy, dude. That's Alaska, man. Don't joke with the nature here. Yeah. Okay, so let's see you tomorrow. I hope I'm gonna still here in this little tent. I think I'm gonna sleep here, dry my clothes easy against this my little baby device. This is my girlfriend actually, because if she die, I die also. So no, I'll not die, but there is a lot of chances that I'm not gonna be in good shape if she dies. So, and it's been like 2 days I slept 2 hours because it's a storm every day. Like 3 days I slept 2 hours per night maybe. And we hiked 1,000, maybe 1,400 meters in total, so which is only in 2 days. But we had good weather. I'm gonna show you some good video. So if you go to Alaska, be ready, yeah? Be ready for not free riding and experience a crazy storm, man. That's the point. Allez, bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Like Trump says, bye bye.